Chef Anthony talking about asparagus here. Well, here's some quick tips to help you, prepare and preserve the great asparagus. Right here is kind of my setup. If I keep it in the refrigerator or I keep it on the countertop, just a few inches of water. I keep those, bottom tips in there. And this, guys, will make sure that these are nice and crispy and crunchy, because over time, this is what sogs out first, because the moisture in the water has to run all the way up the stalk. Quick tip on that. So, instead of wrapping it in paper towel and water, just keep it in about an inch or two of water. Should double the shelf life, okay? Another great one is the whole bunch like this. Take the rubber band off it, and we look at this great asparagus. Instead of using a knife, you could just go like this, okay? And it finds the natural seam of the asparagus. Cool factor right there. So if you go like this, it should break every time, and check them all out in the bunch. They look pretty much, they come right. You could do this all day long. Another one too, if you don't like to use the peeler, you just take the back of the knife and you could just score down, and that'll actually get some of the little scales, I like to call it, of the fibrous stalk off. So this is very nice and very gentle. So you see that takes just that outer layer off. It's a little rough. It gives you that bright green where all the sweet is. The only other method I want to show you real quick, take my knife, and I just like to take it and I like to put it on a 45. See this? That looks great, but that also makes sure it doesn't curl up on the ends. Sometimes if you're roasting it or dry heat cooking method, you can curl up on the ends. This will work perfectly. Hope this helps you, prepare, preserve, and enjoy the great asparagus.